My name is Dan Oddie, Engineering and Technical Sales for Detroit Speed, and today we're going to show you our LS engine mount adapter kit for the 1968 to 82 C3 Corvettes. With growing popularity in the Corvette builds, both in-house with our test car and with project cars, as well as our customers calling in, we found the need to make a quality LS engine mount adapter kit for these vehicles. The key benefits to this kit is that it's 100% bolt-on and allows you to install your engine in your vehicle at the factory stock location. There's also some adjustability built into it so you can level your engine up and then tighten the fasteners. As you can see here, the kit comes with everything you need, including in-house machined CNC aluminum adapter plates that will bolt to the side of the engine block, and then the polyurethane engine mounts will then bolt to the adapter plate, and all the hardware is included. We've even gone to some OE style flange head bolts to give it a nice quality finish. Another cool product we have to go along with this engine mount kit is the Detroit Speed C3 LS engine side pipe headers built right here in North Carolina at Pro Fabrication. To learn more, click on the link below. To learn more about our C3 Corvette LS engine mount adapter plate kit, contact our sales and technical associates at 704-662-3272 or visit us at DetroitSpeed.com.